Meaning of HSE.
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 HSE. HSE is an acronym that stands for Health, Safety, and Environment. It is a term widely used in industry to describe the policies and procedures that are in place to prevent accidents, injuries, and damage to the environment. The main goal of HSE is to ensure that companies are operating in a safe and responsible manner, while also protecting the health and well-being of their employees and the surrounding community. These efforts involve a wide range of activities, including risk assessments, safety training, environmental monitoring, and emergency response planning. Overall, HSE is a critical component of responsible corporate governance, and serves as a key driver of sustainability and long-term success.